If you are like many, pressed for time, come and watch my latest video takes about 3 to 4 minutes, and you will have the most delicious steak with vegetables, like a keto for you. Really delicious and simple. Within just about, I'd say 5 minutes, you can have all the beautiful nutritions that you need, that your body needs, and that you will absolutely salivate. Delicious flavors coming through, marinated. All it took me was about 3 minutes to slice my steak. I had porterhouse, so I sliced it really thin, and I marinated with some paprika, vegetables, and some chili powder. I'm already salivating just thinking about just chili that my Chilean friend made for me. And that was it. And then I just braised a bit of veggies, which I had some peppers and an onion and some leeks. And then I tossed the meat through. And then I had a bit of broccoli left over that I had boiled, and I put that in. Simple, but you can make a meal out of it. Really, all sometimes we need are just what I'm trying to find. Help. That's the word. Help. We all need help. In certain areas of our life, we need just that light put in, and that shows us what we have to do, and then all of a sudden it sparks the flame in our soul, and we just think, I can do this. I know what I can do. And then the creative juices start flowing, and we just know what to do. Sometimes we just need help to show us where to go and what to do. And my experience in 50 years of hospitality, I just can look at something and say, hey, that's what I'm going to do. This is where I'm going to go. The creative juices start to flow. The ingredients start to come, because sometimes you can add so many ingredients and it just tastes terrible. But it's the experience that people have that say, hey, try that. Hey, put that in there. Do that. And you'll find that it all works out. So if you enjoy this video and the ones that I'm going to press out to show you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me. I would really love for you to be part of my community. I'll see you there. Ciao.